In competitive speed learning, the first step is turning big goals into tiny, repeatable drills you can run every day. Take a chess prodigy who trains 15 minutes of rapid tactic recall before sunrise, gradually increasing speed without sacrificing accuracy. Similarly, a medical resident uses timed flashcards during commutes, squeezing recall practice between rounds to sharpen decision speed. The secret is deliberate spacing, vivid mental anchors, and immediate feedback to lock in faster, more reliable responses. Real wins include a startup founder cutting onboarding time by 40% through micro sprints and daily quick recall challenges.